All right, well, I'm not going to give you a detailed version of how to replace the lug studs on these, but I'll kind of give you the quick and dirty of it. Obviously, you know you got to take off the brake caliper. You got to take off the rotor. The good news is on the Type R, the dust plate, once you undo the dust plate, you can rotate the dust plate. These guys right here become like an access hole. So just rotate the appropriate one that you need to replace, you know, whichever one it is. Rotate it to the appropriate spot, and you could rotate the dust shield in addition to it. So the nice part about it is when you pound it out, you'll have a nice spot, and then you go back through the dust shield in one of these loops right here. So each one of these loops kind of creates an access hole. This is the side you need to have it rotated to. If you rotate it to that side, you have plenty of clearance to be able to get it in, and then you can press in the new one. They come out extremely easy. I've had to press ones out before. This one came out extremely easy, so you won't need to do much there. There is an access bolt to take off the back here. Let me see if I can get my phone back here. Sorry. Right down here on the bottom, you can see where I've kind of taken... sorry. Camera is really, really bad. Okay, so you see the bracket right there. You can undo all that right there. Loosen up this bolt that is right here. Loosen that bolt, and you can loosen the bolt on the side. That'll free it all up. You don't take that bolt all the way out, but you can just free it up so that way you're not pulling on the metal line right here. And then that'll help kind of set your caliper so you don't have to worry about that. You obviously can hang it however you want to hang it. You definitely want to make sure it's hung up and stuff like that. So good opportunity to be able to do all that, get that cleaned up, and that'll make it a little bit easier as far as doing your installation and stuff like that. So besides that, should be all set. Thanks. Bye.